Hey guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Sunga dynasty. Please remember Sunga dynasty is the one which was succeeded post Mauryan Empire. As you can see here, they were ruled between 185 BC to 73 BC. So here initial king of Sunga dynasty, that is the Pushyamitra Sung. As you can see here, the Brahmin commander-in-chief of last Mauryan ruler named Brihadratha in 185 BC. So, Mauryan ruler, that is Brihadratha, in 185 BC was exist. Sunga dynasty was established by Pushyamitra Sunga, but the founder of Sunga dynasty, you have to remember, that is Simukha was the founder of Sunga dynasty, but he established, that is Pushyamitra Sunga established this Sunga dynasty in a stronger form. Pushyamitra Sunga was the maiden king to conduct Ashwamedha Yagna. You should know what exactly Ashwamedha Yagna. Ashwamedha Yagna is that one. As we can see, during the time of Ramayan, Ram was sent one horse, and the Lava Kush was, though Lava and Kush both were stopped that horse. So during that time there was a major war between Lava Kush and Lakshmana. So that was the incident which was happened during the past Ramayan time. The same Ashwamedha Yagna was conducted by Pushyamitra Sunga to rule over the places. This was conducted by Pushyamitra Sunga in Sunga dynasty. The great Buddhist stupa at Bharut, as you can see in Madhya Pradesh, there is a Sanchi Stup. In that center, you will find the gateway like this. This is known as Bharut, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi was built during the reign of Sungas. The act of inscribing in the famous Ajanta caves was first started. So, this kind of act of inscribing the famous Ajanta caves was first started during the time of Shatavahanas. You should know exactly Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which place. They are located in Maharashtra. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. And next, if we see the next slide, the Pushyamitra Sunga was ruled for 36 years and was succeeded by his son Agnimatra. So he had successfully ruled for 36 years and the son Agnimitra was taken over. Pushyamitra didn't adopt any royal title and ruled with the name of Senani. He has no interest in adopting the royal titles. He has not adopted but ruled for 36 years with the name of Senani. The Greek king Antiochus sent his ambassador named Herodotus to the court of Sungas. You should remember which foreign traveler has come to Pushyamitra Sunga's time. That is, Herodotus has come, who had sent the Greek king Antiochus. So whatever the pronunciation, you go through that. The capital of Sungas was Videsha in modern Madhya Pradesh. So that capital of Sungas is Videsha, which is located in modern Madhya Pradesh. They used the lead to make the coins. So they used lead element for the making of coins. As you can see to the right, how Pushyamitra Sunga sculpture exists, was the founder of first ruler of the Sunga Empire in northern India. Pushyamitra was originally a Senapati, general of the Maurya Empire, as I already told, Senani, Senapati or general. And the scripts during the time of Pushyamitra Sunga dynasty, the scripts used by the empire was a variant of Brahmi script and was used to write Sanskrit. So that Brahmi script is similar to the Sanskrit. The last of the Sunga emperors, Devabhuti, was the last king during the time of Sunga Empire. That was between 83 to 73 before Christ. He was assassinated by his minister Vasudeva Kanva. You should remember this Senani Sunga, Pushyamitra Sunga, was killed or assassinated by his own minister Vasudeva Kanva. The longest list of Shatavahan kings of Andhra found in which Purana? They were found in Matsya Purana. So the longest list of Shatavahan kings of Andhra found in Matsya Purana. Gada Saptasati was written by Hal. There was a Hala writer. He had written the Gada Saptasati, the seventh ruler of Shatavahana dynasty. As you can see, that is, the last ruler is Yagna Sri Shatkarni. This Hal was the seventh ruler of Shatavahana dynasty who had written Gada Saptasati, and the last ruler of Sunga dynasty, you can see Yagna Sri Shatkarni. He was the last ruler. So you have to remember all these things. You can call me on 766730 or message me by WhatsApp if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.